Hi, this is my multimodal reflection for my rhetorical analysis. So to answer some of the questions that were sort of listed and to sort of talk about this topic, the way that I catered towards my audience for this was to write it a lot more informally than I'm used to doing academic writing. It was very interesting and really did push me outside of my comfort zone to be writing a rhetorical analysis in a way that was casual and in a way that was like it would be on an editorial newspaper website. That's not something I'm familiar with. I am familiar with writing rhetorical analyses, but not in a way that are casual and informal. I was only used to doing them in a very structured manner in high school. I also think it sort of ties into what was challenging for me is I was always drilled into like be specific and don't do a 5-paragraph essay, like think outside the box. And so with that, I think I tried initially in my rough draft to do 4 paragraphs. However, the way that my content flowed ended up not really working out or being cohesive in that way because one of the body paragraphs was significantly longer. But it actually, according to some of my comments, and then after thinking about what my goals were and what I wanted to say and how I wanted to say it, it ended up making a lot more sense for me to split the main body paragraph that was too big into many smaller paragraphs, which did in the end help me convey my content more clearly, but it also fit better with the goal of the project, which was to be like an editorial, which would in fact feature smaller paragraphs. And so this is helping me cater to my audience better by making it more approachable and visually appealing by seeing it on split up into smaller chunks into my more individual thoughts. Another thing that was sort of outside of my comfort zone and was unique to this project was including images. I've never written a paper with images before or including hyperlinks to a video, but I do think that was something that was useful to me in my process because it allowed me to reference them in what I was saying and writing, and it allowed some context for the reader if you didn't already know the piece that I was discussing. And so I really think that helped me be more successful, and I really am proud of this piece of work that I'm putting forward. I'm interested in the topic. I'm interested not only in just like angry women and rhetoric, but also in the Women's March and the larger effects that had on our country. And so getting to think about how Ashley Judd made those decisions and was effective with her anger was very useful to me as a person, as a student, as a learner, and I hope that the audience will enjoy my paper. Thank you.